Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing Turbo VPN and your Efootball account. Install Turbo VPN, grant permissions, and sign in or choose guest mode. Once done, close Efootball and unnecessary apps so the VPN has full bandwidth. This reduces packet loss. Pick a server country near the game servers or one optimized for low ping because lower latency means smoother online play. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable. Unstable internet defeats any VPN advantage. Now you'll connect and configure Turbo VPN for Efootball. Open Turbo VPN and run the built-in speed or ping test. Choose a server with 50 to 100 milliseconds or lower. Use UDP mode if the app offers protocol choices because it favors real-time gaming. Enable auto reconnect so dropped connections won't boot you from matches, and use split tunneling to route only Efootball through the VPN when supported. This keeps overall traffic efficient and minimizes added latency. Finally, start Turbo VPN and then launch Efootball. Check the in-game ping and matchmaking region to confirm the VPN is active. If you see high ping or region mismatch, switch to a different nearby server and clear the game cache. Making small server changes often fixes NAT or routing problems. If matches still lag or you get disconnects, reboot your device and router to reset network paths. One troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, disable VPN briefly to confirm whether the VPN is the source of the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.